I can see. I can see. I can see. Sister, stand up. Although we need a better etibo woge or batiala. Get up.
Raise the dead and glorify your name.
Shut up.
Lord, I went to thee another like the year.
May you not lose focus. May you not die premature. Now, who brought you?
I came by myself.
You came by yourself.
From US.
From
US.
US. Yourself. Follow me. Follow me back. Something is following you. Are you with somebody here? Huh?
It's my wife.
Bring her, please. Bring her. Hug him. Where are your children? Sister Dolite Dingelu. Sister, bring your husband up. Bring him up. You don't know that something, you don't know that he normally forgets himself. Sister Dolite Dingelu. Je Dolite Dingelu. Chuba Dingelu Dolite. Ogaye Dolite Nguyen. Bring her up. Bring her up. As you lift your candle, whatever stopping you this month is catching fire.
Amen.
Look at me.
No one like you.
I'm seeing somebody that's supposed to have properties everywhere. Two of you must be agreeing. I'm seeing somebody that's supposed to have properties everywhere. Everywhere, everywhere, everywhere. Everywhere, everywhere. So rich. The difference between rich and so rich is supposed to be so rich. What will you able to mention that is causing the trouble all the time? Speak to me. Huh? Two of you don't agree. Huh?
We even fought here before we come here.
You fought here in Zion?
Yes, before we come here.
Have you known that I'm a prophet now? Huh?
You're a prophet.
Have you people discussed this with me?
No, sir.
Fight, fight, fight. In a dinner, come we in dinner. Get on our course in so me packing. Okay. I can see. I can see. I can see. Sister, be obedient to your husband. Be obedient. Stop doing as if you know more. Huh?
Yes, sir. It's true.
Huh?
It's true.
Be humble. There is no how husband and wife should reason together. But man is the head of the family. Man is the head of the family. That must sink in your subconsciousness. But okay, heaven is going to strengthen the other side so that they go dogu where they go dogu. Because so on a may have kuru could there be Batiaya.
Yes, sir.
Which size? I prophesy today. Whatever fighting you will scatter by fire.
Amen.
But he did slow. Never. Manawai bunda. So, yeah, I don't want to go direct.